But yeah, we got a new game. We got Skin Stapler though.
Journal log.
Okay.
February 23rd, 1984.
Okay.
Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
Okay.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions.
Dang.
Every corner consumed with vermin and vice.
The hazy hooch. Oof.
Question. How much farther can we fall?
Why bro sound like Batman?
Well, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups.
Okay.
Me, I just whisper.
Me? I just whisper. Please report any possible sightings. Police sketch.
This city's drowning in misery.
Holy
Nothing
shoot.
was for sale. Murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I?
Who are you, gang? As he lights a sicky wiggy.
The name's Dick. Detective Dick. Filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
The name's Dick.
Waiter, come in. Are you
Yo, that's crazy.
again?
That's crazy. All right, Dick Slater.
Give you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Oh, let me whip this bad boy.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
You know, hey Chad, I ain't gonna lie. You know he's the main character the way he talks. Damn, we skirted out of there though. Okay, hold on. Okay, and we hit a trash can. Don't give a fuck. It's my city. What are you talking about? Carrion City Police Department. CCPD?
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee. I'm disappointed.
Why is bro so pessimistic, bruh?
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
All right, chief, don't. All right, chief, don't beat me up too much. Hey, wake up.
Hello, Luna.
Damn, Luna, you some fine shit.
Sitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
Relax, bro.
And yet, here we are.
Here we are, baby. I ain't gonna lie, for her to be the front desk clerk, she look good. Like, hey, let's have a quickie.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
I'm on the way.
Lucky me.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
I will see you. Hate to see you leave, but I love to see you walk away. Appreciate you. Her voice does not match her face. Is it through here? Okay, that's outside. Is it through here? It says do not cross. You buzzed me in for what? Where do I go? Oh, it's this way. Join the force. Nobody want to be a part of the force? Yo, Doc. What's up, Brody?
Slater! Sir! I mean, Detective Slater! Sir!
What you doing in here?
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No! sir, but I was just thinking.
What's up?
Back up, or someone to ride along? I've been logging response times, radio codes,
Okay.
crime patterns.
Okay.
I could really help out there.
Your best help is behind the desk, gang.
The streets will chew you up and spit you out.
Bro.
You're a good kid.
Your place is here at the station.
At the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Yeah, it's okay. You do what you can. You do what you can. Y'all ever have Philly cheesesteak hot pocket? I don't like I'm not gonna cap. The only hot pockets I like is the ham and cheese ones. But it's another one that's like a steak and cheese, but it's not the Philly cheesesteak one, I don't think. I think is it a black box? If that's that kind, that bit, hey, I ain't gonna lie. That one right there is one of them ones. All right, Elmer, just get back to work. You sitting over here in the corner for?
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat.
Okay.
See, Slater?
But you want some dick?
Not even a little.
Shame.
You want some with a detective?
Looks like I got nothing left to lose.
Then
I don't like the way she talked though.
Your loss. Plenty on me at this station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll.
Yo, keep your cooter in your pants, gang.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for him.
I'm not.
No, I ain't putting in a good word for you, bruh. What's up, Chief? Who are you? What's up, Chief?
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Hey, I'm here.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
Damn.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rockwood.
Okay.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case?
The Full Mooner Gooner? What? That's the criminals in the city?
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then.
The city was edging. Hey yo, I like this game already. Ooh, shoot. Oh my God. Detective Dick on the Gooner case. It's been edging the streets all night.
Which is why you're gonna
Ooh, shit. Oh my God.
is escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Bro, I don't need no backup, Chief. I can do this alone. I'm a lone wolf and you know that. I don't need no backup.
This is your new partner.
New partner? Flip a desk.
What?
What?
You be kidding me, O'Brien.
O'Brien, hear me
You
out.
know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
He just fall asleep on me? Look at this fiend. Put the don't.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Over the donuts though, bruh. No one's gonna take your donut, bro. Relax. Why is he full face in the box of?
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to you.
Wow. Okay.
Roger that, Chief.
Okay. Peep, they still in the box? Nah, I did peep that. Glorb dropped? When?
Dick, the mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
Okay. I don't get that reference, but shout out Diesel Cox.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer.
Oh, so we gotta catch the killer. Yesterday? Oh, all right, bet. Once I beat this, once I finish this, I'm gonna watch the glory when we go in the stream. That's tough. That's tough. We gonna end it with the glory. We gonna end it with the glory. Bruh, boss, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like this decision, and you still got all 12 donuts in the box. So you stuffed your face in this box and went crazy for all 6 of those donuts still be in that box. All right, boss. I'm gonna catch you a killer, and I want a raise. Look at your little creep. Here I am babysitting you, bruh. Knowing I don't want to do this, but let's go, bruh. Let's make it happen.
Slater.
What?
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Facts.
Okay.
Rule 2.
Okay.
If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Okay. I'm the hero. I'm the MC. I'm the hero.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Damn. Why am I so aggressive though? Like I ain't playing no games.
Understood.
I don't know. Bruh's always on edge. Let me drive the police cruiser. Like, was that too much to code into the game? Like, when the full game come out, you gotta let me drive the police cruiser. Like, what's up, bruh? The quick fix. All right, let's make it happen. Hot, fresh wieners. Oh, chat, we got glizzies! We got
Another beautiful night in Carrion City.
Okay.
Spending stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Damn, I feel like you should have started regretting your life choices after the face chat. I ain't gonna lie.
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but
Jank wagon.
Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
Valid. Okay. The
I'll
quick
be
fix.
counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Wait, that just changed perspectives? I think I'm Hexy now. Oh, I'm Hexy now. All right, let's go sell some glizzies. Can we get some drugs before we go in? Knock knock. Oh, this is the spot where we sell glizzies. Is this my store? This sounds like no drugstore. It's like a goddamn liquor store. Phone ringing. It's in here, right? It's on the phone. What's up, yo?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
Ooh, get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy.
Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late.
Yeah, got stuck in traffic, boss. It wasn't my fault.
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day.
Ooh, and we selling rotten glizzies?
Are you calling me on the shitter?
Ew!
Disgusting!
That's what that was?
All right,
Come on, all right, boss. I'll go grab the glizzies,
in the
man.
back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
That is, ooh, shoot. He's one of them. Yeah, just hang up the phone, bruh. We gotta just go grab the glizzies, bruh. We'll go out in the rain and grab the glizzies, bruh. I'm gonna assume it's this way. We're going out to grab the glizzies at night. Where's the box of meat? Has to be that way, right? Oh! Oh my God. Hey you. Hey. What's good, YouTube? If y'all boys are still watching right now and you're not subscribed, y'all boys make sure to smack that subscribe button like you beating your meat at 2 a.m. getting a nice little Listen, chat, we're live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Saturdays on Twitch. Y'all boys to tap in. I might just start streaming every day. So lock in, y'all boys. Link is down below in the description to really be part of the SG family. And chat, look, we got our own merch. If y'all want to cop some, y'all boys let me know and I'll drop a link for y'all boys. I love y'all. And let's get back to the YouTube vid. Hey! Oh my God. Yo, why are you just posted up in the rain, gang? What is wrong with you?
Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man.
Like, come on, bruh. The hash slinging slasher.
Dude.
This is why I don't like taking out the trash at night. The hash slinging, the slash slinging.
Especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Chat, wait. This is the killer from the. Chat, this is the killer. This is the killer that the police was looking for. That Professor Dick.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
For what? Glizzies?
If you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Yo, bro, chill, bro. And he just walks away?
With another creep. I hate this city.
What's wrong with him? He probably is a cannibal. Now holding box of mystery meat. Hey, yo. I got flies. Where do I put the wieners? Take the meat to the wiener grinder. Grind up some. Why am I on? I'm not that bad, right? Damn. Why poop out the glizzies? Ugh. Should remind me of after I eat Taco Bell. Let's get these glizzies. I can only cook one at a time? How about I put it down? What's up, Brody? My nigga, I heard you. How you toast a bun? Where's the buns? Are those buns? Chat. Need a toasted hot dog bun. Where's the toaster? Ah, okay. What's up, boss? Oh, he wants a glizzy. The head of Twitch, that stuff. He wants a he wants a glizzy. I got you. I hear you. Appreciate you. Oh, I fucked up. Okay, so we got to do this first. We go boom, put that there. Unclick glizzy on the grill, and then we first grab the bun, put the bun on the tray, and then we put the glizzy down. Okay. I see. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I goofed that one up. Bun's ready. Mink. Bun goes down. Need a cooked wiener. I don't like the way you looking at me. Yo, bro. Hey, boss man. How was your day today? Like, happy Sunday. You want anything on top of that? Or you just want to raw? You just gonna raw that dog? All right, my boy. Oh, you want ketchup and mustard? Okay. I can use some ketchup. You feel me? Need relish? Okay. A little relish. Add the works. Okay. Put it in a hot dog container. Need a finished glizzy? Thank you for stopping at the Quick Fix, sir. Enjoy your glizzy. What? Oh! Yo! What? Bro, just... Bruh just deep-throated the glizzy right in front of me. I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of trying to see what that mouth like. Sir, come back. Sir. Ooh, shoot. Welcome to Quick Fix, home of the fixing. What can I get for you? Oh, she might want a glizzy too. Let's serve her up a glizzy. People come from the glizzies. What's up, boss lady? Want to finish hot dog? Okay, I got you. Don't even worry about it. We got one on the way right now. How was your day today? Good? Hey, you know what? I appreciate you for having a good day. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. What you want? You want a glizzy with everything on it? The works, relish, all that good? Cool. All right, I got you. Give me 2 minutes and I'll have it right out for you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your patience, ma'am. We got you, bruh. Oh, if you want ketchup, mustard, relish, the works, box, container, glizzy. Thank you for stopping at the fixin'. Ooh, baby. Hold on, I got another glizzy. I got one more glizzy for you. Hold on, I got one more glizzy. Like, what's up? I'm trying to see what that mouth talking about, baby. I'm trying to see what that mouth is now. Like, fuck with me, like. Okay. Oh, he's back. Chat, he's back. He's back. What's up, boss man? How you feeling?
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
I mean, I guess you could say that.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude.
I don't know what that means, bro. I'm just serving up glizzies.
Did you come in to get one of those famous Quick Fix wieners?
Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh.
Hey, yo.
I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
Well, all we got is glizzy, sir.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want? It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
It's a staple bandit.
Why do you need staples this late at night? Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project. Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be
Yo, bro is creepy. Yes, it's a free demo.
so.
Why are you looking at me like that, sir? Why are you? Oh, nah, I'm good. I don't. New customer. Thank you. I'm not the only person in the store. Is he still over there? I'm assume she came in for a glizzy, right? Don't be weird. What's up, baby? How you doing tonight? Waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. Oh, I got a BBC coming right up for you. Don't even worry about it. It's got your name on it. Got your name. I will have it right out in a jiffy, baby. Just give me 2 seconds. How was your day today, ma'am? Good? Great. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. You want it? You want the whole, you want everything on it? Quick fixing, relish, ketchup, mustard? Good? All right, bet I got it coming right up for you. Give me 2 minutes. Just waiting for your glizzy to cook right now. The ketchup, mustard, relish, quick fixing. Grab a box. Put it in the box. Here you go, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your glizzy. Holy shoot! Girl got a deep. I'm trying to see what that throat hitting on, baby. Come back. Hold on. Boss, I don't want to wash the register right now, bruh. Put me on. Yo, she had the technique. She gave me that two-hand twist, the two-hand twist combo. I'm trying to see what that's like, baby. But where did the creepy guy go? Oh, we got another customer. Welcome to Quick Fix, home of the fixin'. Welcome to Quick Fixin', home of the fixin'. What's up? Can I take your order? What's up, bro D? Give me a meaty, juicy one. I got one coming right up for you, bro. Bro is wildin'. A meaty, juicy one. Ooh, shoot. Wait, why does he kind of look familiar? Toasted buns done. You want the quick fix everything on it? All right, bet I got you. Wait, does bro look like me for real? Wait, chat, is this? Chat, is he my doppelganger? All right, Brody. Welcome to the quick. I would never do that. Hey, yo. 2 hands on that motherfucker. No, damn. I'm not gonna take your glizzy gang, bro. We got the real gobblers in this bad boy, bro. We got the real gobblers. Oh my gosh. I would never gobble a glizzy down like that, bro. I'm more of a 2-biter. He just throated it. But where'd the creepy guy go? Welcome to Quick Fix. Oh, she a woman on a mission. She walking fast. Where'd she go though? Oh, there she is. There she is. Oh, she got a little coffee too. Welcome to Quick Fix. Oh, fine shit. How you doing? You look gorgeous. What's up, Blair?
Hey, shrimp queen.
Wait, do I like boys? What?
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
I'll never judge you.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling.
I'm trying to tell you.
I know what's in them.
You don't.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
Ah. Wait, he's in the back. Chat, is he my doppelganger? He's wearing the back. He's in the back right now. Oh!
Living the dream, eh? You on your break?
He is back there. Oh, I didn't even see him.
One day we'll get out of this dump.
Yes, and run away with each other.
Soon.
Watch your back. We got a creepy guy out here trying to take my wieners. Don't worry about it, baby. It's on the house. Hey, pretty girl treatment. You fine shit.
About it. This one's on me.
I like that. Yes.
Pathetic tonight.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
All right, Blair, be
Good
safe.
shift, Blair.
Don't be looking at my... She's off limits, gang. Off limits. Why are you watching her walk out the store though? Bruh, don't do this again, bruh. Holy shoot!
What the hell is your problem?
Bro, what is wrong with you? Oh my days.
Seems you're all out of staples. I'm getting pretty sick of your shit.
No cap.
I'm gonna leave before I make you.
Facts.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
Get your... Bro, what's up with you? What's your kinks?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend. Yeah.
Thanks for shopping at Quick Fix, I guess.
Guess, or whatever.
Thanks.
Anyway, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Bruh, he clogged the toilet, bruh. Sly, bruh. Yeah, man, get out the store, bruh. Bruh, tripping. What's wrong with bro? He on some weird stuff.
Now I
need to fix the freaking toilet.
Great.
Oh my God.
Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Ew. No way they got me plunged. Okay, I'm about to say there's no way this is a... What did he drop in there? Come on. Come on. You gotta do the flush and plunge method. The flush and plunge method. I would never get that close to a toilet ever in my life. What's gonna pop out? It's an earthquake?
What is that sound?
No way. Oh! No way. What? What? No. No way. No way. No way. Well, I guess I'm the girl's perspective now. I actually got packed up. I'm the girl's perspective now.
Pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Luke.
Oh my god. What you want, bruh? Let me see if I can talk to him. What you want, bruh? We see you. Bruh, Lucas, what are you doing, bruh?
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for
What'd you sleep at on the job for, bruh? What are you doing?
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
Bruh, shut up, bruh. You asleep.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
Hey, somebody gotta work the counter,
I
gangy.
think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Let me nuke this cup of nudies. Where's the break room? Restrooms that way. Employees is only. The office. Where's the office? Bathroom. Office. Okay. Where's the microwave?
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
All right. I don't know why. I'm not sleeping. I'm resting my eyes on bro. All right, Lucas, bro. You already at the door, bro.
All right, Lucas.
All right, you can go,
Get out
bro.
of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Bruh.
Oh, what?
Come on, bro. You had one job.
Jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose?
Yeah, bruh.
After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
So you let me do everything you were supposed to do your whole shift.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Hey, yo.
Wow.
Just go home, bruh.
Just wow.
Catch you later. I hope the skin monster packs you up. Investigate the busted ball feeder. Why do they smack everything like that? Heem. All right, put your back into it then, Blair. That is not supposed to sound. Damn! That was not supposed to sound like that.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Ooh, shoot, I could have died. What about my noodles though? How long she? Oh my God, here we go, chat. What's up, yo? Welcome to the bowling alley.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is. with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature is crazy, but pop off.
Sure. Do you want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I vote the police.
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
Facts.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Like a fresh cut, though.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
Never once.
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions.
Either you buy a lane or you get out. Facts.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bruh, it's woof. Give me the heebie-jeebies for real. Like, it's weird.
Total creep.
I gotta go out there and get a dirty bowling ball. Can I get the one that shot out? Okay. 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 Not too bad. If you like pina colada, making love in the rain. If you're not into the yoga, then it must be insane. If you like making love at midnight, and you must be insane, insane. If you like pina colada, making love in the rain. Did I ever tell you? Oh, you did? Oh, that's what's up, yo. You gotta drop it and let me see what it look like. Cause me personally, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I'm a Hall of Fame game. Bro, what is wrong with you, bruh? Why is bruh in the shoes? Fiending, I'm telling you, bruh. Fiending. It don't make no sense. Easy.
Right. Time to clean the stinky shoes.
Okay, as long as he's not around me. Deodorizer from the filing cabinet. Where's the filing cabinet? Oh, okay.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Crazy. Me personally, chat, I couldn't, this is the one thing I could not do, bruh. A bowling alley can't pay me enough to put my nose in smelly shoes, gang. I can't do it. I can't do it, bruh. I just physically can't. My body can't. Did y'all hear that? I'm going crazy. Hopefully they didn't try to lure me into the bathroom and try to take my drawers. Or I guess my flesh.
Do it.
Where bro go?
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
Facts.
Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of noodies real fast.
Oh, chat, he's waiting somewhere. He's waiting for me in a corner somewhere. We're gonna book it. Just book it, 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 just book it.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Hey, chat, even if he pops up, at least, at the very least, He got me. He got me.
What happened?
What'd he stick me with? Am I hallucinating? Oh, I'm talking to a shrimp. Okay. Okay.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
What is going on?
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
I'm listening to a shrimp.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp? Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
Get up, Blair.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp. You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Oh! Okay.
Knuckles away. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
That's a different guy.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum.
Oh my God.
And paralysis, among other things.
He's gonna skin me.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
Ooh, shoot. He's gonna take my face? Cause bro, I don't got no face. Not a bowling ball.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I
Please.
your body.
Please.
I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Not the bowling ball.
Please, don't.
No! Chat! It's the end of the line! Oh! Ooh! Ooh! No, he took my whole entire skin and my head. No, my body's there. I'm just skinless. That's my chest, my hand, my feet, my foot. Is that my back? My other foot? My knees? Oh my God. My face? What the fuck? Chat was, I ain't gonna lie, no, I did like the game though.
No, I wait too loud like I'm Mirsky, okay? Join up in a love and it gon' brighten your day. SG, ski gang, yeah. Kick it with my twin like I'm Luke Kane.